Does uninsured motorist coverage pay if the other driver is at fault? Imagine you're driving along and suddenly get hit by another car. The driver is at fault, but they have no insurance or not enough to cover your damages. What happens then? That's where uninsured motorist coverage comes into play. This type of auto coverage is designed to protect you when the person responsible for the accident can't pay for your injuries or damages. It is often a mandatory coverage in many states, meaning drivers are required to carry it along with liability insurance. Uninsured motorist coverage has two main parts. The first is uninsured motorist bodily injury coverage. This pays for your medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and even funeral costs if needed. The second part is uninsured motorist property damage coverage. This helps pay for repairs to your vehicle if an uninsured driver hits you and damages your car. If you do not have collision coverage, UMT can be especially helpful because it can cover vehicle repairs caused by an uninsured driver. Now, if the other driver is at fault but has insurance, underinsured motorist coverage might step in. This coverage helps when the at-fault driver's liability limits are too low to fully pay your damages. For example, if they only have $1,000 in coverage but your medical bills are $5,000, underinsured motorist coverage can fill that gap. It's important to know that uninsured motorist coverage only applies if the other driver is legally at fault. If you cause the accident, this coverage usually doesn't help. Also, some states requiring drivers to carry uninsured motorist coverage, while others make it optional. If you're in a state where it's optional, you might choose to add it for extra protection. In practical terms, if you're injured or your car is damaged by an uninsured driver, your uninsured motorist coverage can pay for your medical expenses, lost wages, and vehicle repairs. It acts as a safety net when the responsible driver cannot pay their share. Remember, your policy limits will determine how much coverage you get, so it's good to review your policy and understand what is included. This coverage can save you from significant out-of-pocket costs and help you recover more smoothly after an accident.